It's making it look a bit dry and crusty. Let's be honest, it's making my lips look crusty. Bruh. Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome, and if you are a regular, then thank you so much for coming back and for clicking on my video. So today's video is going to be a quick review of the Makeup Revolution lip kits. So I'll be trying out two lip kits. One is a metallic lip kit and the other one is a matte lip kit, and the colours are a bit different. One is a nude and one is a bit of a red burgundy color. You're gonna have to excuse my lips because this is the first video where I've started without anything on my lips and it's a bit dry at the moment, so don't judge. But so yeah, if you've watched my videos, you've probably seen that I usually wear reds on my lips, a bit of pinks, or sometimes purple on my lips. So I didn't own any nude lip colors, so I wanted to try a nude lip. The one I'm gonna try first, I wore it in my birthday vlog. If you haven't watched it, I will link the video up here so you can have a little watch of that. But yeah, I wore it in my birthday vlog. When I wore it, I don't know whether I just didn't apply it very well, but it started to crease and the middle bit came off and it was just like I only had a bit around my lips. And it was very, very drying, so I thought I'd do a proper video on it again and give you a bit of my review and make you decide whether you want to spend your money on it, because yeah, it's a bit of a So the first one I'm going to try is the one that I wore in my birthday vlog, and it is the Noble lip color. So we're about to get a little bit personal now, a bit close up, so just come a little closer. A little bit closer? That's better. Right, so I'm going to start off with the Noble lip liner. As you can tell, I've used it already because it's a bit down. I need to probably sharpen it, but I'll work with what I've got for this video anyway. Bruh. So as you can tell, this colour does not look good on me. The lip liner doesn't help at all, and the colour makes my lips look really washed out, and ugh, I'm just not feeling this lipstick by itself. But what I have done, so I have worn this since my birthday, and what I have done is then give it a different colour lip liner, and I'm going to show you that now. The lip liner makes your lips, it just defines it a lot more, and this is not defining my lip, it's making it look a bit dry and crusty. Let's be honest, it's making my lips look crusty. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to try it with another lip liner. Be right back. Right, so I've cleared Noble off completely. It was actually quite hard to get off. I had to scrub my wipes on my lips. It's hard to get off, but the thing is, when you have it on for a long time, the middle bit goes missing, so I'm a little bit confused about that. But anyway, so I'm going to try it with my purple lip liner called Raisin. I think it's a sleek colour. There we go. So I'm going to try it with that and see if there's a difference. I think there would be, because I think I have worn this combination before. So purple lip liner literally makes it look a lot better. Or a darker lip liner. My lips are so dry. Right, so I'm going to take it again, the same Noble colour, and I'm going to apply it to my lips once more and see if there is a bit of a difference. So you see the difference it makes. I mean, it doesn't look as nude now because of the purple that I've added, but just put another layer on. So this is what Noble looks like on my lips. As you can tell, this one is the matte lip kit. It dries really, really hard. There's no transfer. but it does feel really drying on my lips. So what I've done when I've worn this colour last is to apply some Vaseline on my lips because it feels so drying. So yeah, the Vaseline just helps to give it a bit more moisture, and it also helps to stop the cracking that happens immediately once it's dried on your lips. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I don't think I would recommend you buying this. So yeah, I think it's a really good nude colour, but it just doesn't work on me with the lip liner that it came with. So if I use a dark lip liner like I have now with the purple, I think it looks a lot better than using the nude lip liner that came in the kit, because yeah, it just does not suit me at all. It made my lips look really ashy and mahoosive. So yeah, so I'm gonna try the Worth It lip kit next. So this one is a bit more of my kind of thing. The colour is really nice and I haven't tried it yet, but I'm really hoping that this one will be a lot better suited to my skin tone than the last one was. The other one was really drying, and it makes my lips feel really in need of some moisture. So I'm gonna just put some Vaseline on my lips before I put the next one on, because my lips are so dry. I'm so sorry, guys. Right, so I got Vaseline on my lips now and it feels so much better. Oh. So putting the lip liner on, you could see that it's just going on really well. I don't know whether me putting on Vaseline beforehand helped in making it look as good as it did going on, but I definitely prefer the Worth It metallic lip kit rather than the Noble matte lip kit, because the lip kit was just really drying on my lips, whereas this one, even though I've got my Vaseline underneath it, I think without the Vaseline it would still feel as good as it does. So yeah, I would say spend your money on that one if you're looking for one of the lip kits. And also they have a similar resemblance to the Kylie cosmetic lip kits as well. The lips on the front kind of reminded me of Kylie's. Obviously Kylie's has the dripping liquid from it, but with this one it kind of looked a little bit similar. So I guess these are dupes of Kylie's cosmetic lip kits. So that's the end of the video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed me doing this kind of video with lips rather than the whole makeup look that I normally do. I really just wanted to test out these on camera because I've worn one of them before, as I said, in my birthday vlog, and it was really drying on my lips and it didn't last very long either. So I thought I'd give it a try again, and this time with the other one that I haven't tried before, which was Worth It, and that one looks amazing, and I am definitely going to be wearing this lip colour. I'm gonna be wearing this lip colour again, so look out for it. So yes, guys, let me know down in the comment section which was your favourite, and also don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends too. If they're into lip kits, then share this video with them, just so they don't spend their money on the Noble but spend their money on the Worth It. Alright guys, I'll see you next time.